Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of TanFan Productions. Today is August 9th on a Saturday, 2025. It is 11:14 and I am at my neighbor's house, one of my other neighbors. I've been helping her do some work today and she has this heat pump. It is a Gibson from 2007, December of 2007. It is a 2-ton. And she did tell me that she actually had this checked on yesterday and everything looks good. So I can tell she's pretty happy. This right here is how you tell the year. This is 2007. And right there, 12 December. And then 24,000 BTU. And right here it says 2-ton. I think it's amazing how long this unit is lasting. It actually looks a lot like my mom's medallion series. It has pretty much the same format. It actually tells you the tonnage without having to divide the number. So yes, this is one of my neighbor's heat pumps. A December 2000 Gibson heat pump, 2-ton. Thank you all for watching and have a great day. Out.